Hi, my friends. It's foundations time. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's do our warm up. I itch it. Remember, I want to hear you echo it back when little baby Echo looks at you. Ed, eh. Man, bat, b. Zebra, z. Queen, qu. Great job. Fox, x. Wind, w. Nice job, little readers. And now let's do some of our standard cards. Apple, a. Dog, d. Ed, e. I itch, eh. Jug, j. Nut, n. Octopus, ah. Up, van, v. And time to sing our vowels. Here we go. Loud and proud with me. Apple, a. Ed, eh. I itch, eh. Octopus, ah. You up, Great job, my friends. Hey, we're going to practice the strategy or the tool called tapping to read words. And remember, this is where your teacher will often say elbows up. So here we go, my friends. Get ready to read this word with me by tapping it out. Elbows up. Here we go. Sad. Sad. Let's do it one more time. You tap while I point. Sad. Sad. Nice job. Help me spell it away. S-A-D. And let's try another word. Elbows up. Let's tap and read. Mm, mm, eh, t, met. Let me do that one more time. Eh, t, met. I met you last year. Let's spell it away. M E T. Okay, let's try this one. Elbows up. Remember, when you do it, you're gonna start like you're pinching someone with your pointer finger. When I do it, you see me do my pinky first because it goes from left to right. Okay, but you're gonna look like this. Ah, sun. Let's try it again. Ah, sun. Great. Let's spell it away. Letter names. S-U-N. Okay, my friends. Now we're gonna try something a little bit different. That was tapping to read a word where we blend it. Now we're gonna tap to help us spell a word. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna say a word and you won't see the letters. Are you ready to try it? Okay, here we go. Repeat after me. Map. And now we need to put our elbows up and tap out those three sounds. And when we do that, we want to picture those three cards in our mind. We want to see them. That's going to help us know it. Okay, here we go. The word was map. A, p. So I saw those cards in my head. This time, every time we tap a letter, let's find the card, okay? Map. I know. I'm picturing the M. What came next? Ah. I'm picturing the A. I'm picturing the P. Map. And it would be the same if you're not building, but you're writing. You might tap and say, a, p. And that is how we tap to spell. Hey, baby Echo, could you erase that word for me? Sure. Thanks, Echo. Such a good friend, so helpful. Let's spell it away. M A P. Okay. I want you to help me with one or two more that I'm going to tap to spell, and then it's going to be your turn on your tile board. All right, let's try this one. Repeat after me. Lip. Let's tap it. L, I, P. Picture those cards in your head. And then let's go ahead and build it. L, I, and usually after I build a word, I like to check it. So I use tap to read to see if I did it right. L, I, lip. Yeah, it says lip. I did it. Pat myself on the back. All right, and help me spell it away. L, I, P. Okay, let's try another one together. Repeat after me. Mat. Let's tap it. M, A, T. How many taps did we do? Three. That means there will be three cards. What was the first letter you pictured? Did you say M? Then what? A. Good. And what's the last sound? T, t, t. What did you picture for that? Ah, I pictured the T too. Now let's tap it and read it and check it. At. Mat. It says mat. We did it. Let's spell it away. M A T. Okay, I think you guys at home are definitely ready to get out your magnet tile boards. So please grab yours and open it carefully. Yours are technically, I guess, Velcro boards, not magnet tiles. All right, let's start with some echo fine letters. Repeat after me. Ul. What says ul? You should be pointing to it. What's the letter's name? L. What says w? What's the letter's name? W. Repeat after me. D. What says D? Letter's name? E. What says I? What's the letter's name? I. Very nice job. Okay, now it's your turn that I will say a word, you'll echo it, and then you will tap and build it. I want you to pause after I say the word. Pause and really build it yourself, and then come back to check it to mine. Okay? Okay. Here's your first word. Lap. Let's tap it together. L, A, P. Pause and build it. Okay, if you're back, it must be because you built lap. L, A, P. And before you come back, always tap it to read it and make sure it says lap. L, A, lap. Does yours match mine? Great. Okay, now you're going to spell it away with me. Okay, let's all pick up our L's and let's say it out loud. L, A, yep, put it back right on your Velcro, right in its spot. We always want to keep it in order. P. Great job. Okay, here's your next word. Sad. Tap it and build it. Sad. Pause and build it. How'd you do? Take a look at mine. Does it match? Let's tap and read them to check it. Sad. I hope you're not sad. Hey, baby Echo, what's our next step? Spell it away. Okay, let's all spell our titles back away. S A D. Okay, my friends, here's your next word to build. Map. Yes, we did do this one earlier. It should be fresh in your brain. Tap it. App. Build it. Okay, you're back. Did you build it? Let's tap our own and see how we did. App. Map. Great. Now let's spell it away. M A P. Okay, guys, great work. Here's our next word. Sip. Go ahead, tap it on your own and build it. Pause it and come back when you're all ready. You're back? Okay. The word was sip. Watch me tap and check mine. Sop. Sop? What? I made a mistake. The word is supposed to be sip. Eh, eh, This was not supposed to be oh. Oopsies. It was supposed to be eh. We all make mistakes. That's why we're here. Finding your mistakes is the best part of learning. Finding them and fixing them. Now let me check it. Sip. Sip. Yeah, the word is sip. Great. If you made a mistake, did you fix it? Yeah, don't just sit there and say, oh, whatever, I'll get it next time. Take the time to fix it. That helps your brain remember it and learn it for next time. Let's spell it away. S I P. Okay. And do a quick check. Make sure your tiles are in the right order. You never want to have them out of order. So if you need to pause and sing your ABCs and make sure they're right on their Velcro, we want to keep those boards nice and neat. Okay, repeat after me. Mop. Tap it and build it, and come back to check it when you're ready. You're back. Let's tap and check. Ah, p. Mop. Do you like to mop? Let's spell it away. M O P. Okay, my friends. Our next word is sat. Tap sat. At. Build it. Pause it and build it on your own if you want. Okay, why don't you tap it and make sure it says sat? Sat. Sat. Does it look just like mine? Great. Let's spell it away. S A T. Great job today, readers. We're going to stop there. If you feel like you need more practice at home, you can always work on watching the video again and building the same words. Or if you have someone at home that can give you other words that are 3 letters, you can practice like that too. Nice job. We'll see you tomorrow.